Hello, kindergarten friends. My name is Miss Virginia. I'm so excited that you could join us today. On our last lesson, we read Quack and Count, and so this week we're working on counting ducks. But before we get into things like the dot game and recognizing numbers, what do we always do first? You are right. We warm up our brains really super good by counting. And what number are we counting to this week? Say it really loud. Oh, I heard you. That's right. We are counting to 70. And I'm going to say a number, and then you're going to repeat the number all the way up to 70. Are you ready? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Excellent job. We made it all the way to 70, boys and girls. I am super, super proud of you. What else have we been doing with our counting? That's right. We have been counting by tens, like my popsicle sticks here. And we talked about how we can count in bundles, right? And if we bundle things like my popsicle sticks, I have 10 in this bundle. Let's count them together. Count out loud with me. Are you ready? All right, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a bundle of 10 popsicle sticks. And if I want to count by tens, I just have to have them bundled like this. And I could say 10. What comes after 10? If we put 10 more with it. You don't believe, Miss Virginia, that one's 10? You want to fact check me? Make sure this one is 10 too? Okay, well, let's count it, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 in there. So if I have 10, and then I do 10 more, I can say 10, 20, because it's counting all of those together, and that would be 20 popsicle sticks. We learned all about that the week we read 100 Hungry Ants, didn't we? That's right. So we are going to practice counting by tens. Oh, there's all those duckies again. We did this yesterday, or with the last lesson, didn't we? We sure did. So let's double check, make sure Miss Virginia hasn't messed up. There should be 10 ducks in each one of those lines, right? And there should be 10 lines. And when we did 100 hungry ants, we learned that that was 100. All right, so let's check Miss Virginia and make sure that I haven't made a mistake. All right, here we go. See my pointer up here by the ducky? All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're not counting with me. What happened? All right, friends, you have to count super loud with me because I cannot hear you. I'm up here counting by myself. I need your help to count to 10 ducks. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10 ducks. Super great. All right, let's make sure that Miss Virginia put 10 rows on here. That would be embarrassing if I didn't. Let's double check. Here we go. 1 row, 2, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows, 6 rows, 7 rows, 8 rows, 9 rows, 10 rows. Whew! So glad Miss Virginia didn't make a mistake. I think we are set up really good, boys and girls, to count by 10. So I need you to count to 10 with me, but I need you to count super loud so that I can hear you. Are you ready? All right, count out loud with me. Here we go. Here's the first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Whew. Why do we like counting by tens, boys and girls? Give me a good reason. Oh, it's much quicker. That's true. We did talk about that. It's a lot quicker when we have things in groups of 10 to count by 10. We get to 100 much faster than if we count 1, 2, 3 and count by ones, right? So it goes much, much quicker when we count by tens. You are very smart to have remembered that, and I am super proud. Now, our brains are all warmed up, and when our brains are warmed up, we are ready to see spots, and we're going to play the dot game. Oh, you like my horses? That's right. They have a few little spots on them. Thank you. All right, let's review the rules for the dot game. All right, for the dot game, remember, you'll see some dots, and you count them or just know how many there are, and you hold it in your brain really tight, and they're going to disappear, and you hold it in there until I ask you to tell how many, and then you'll shout it out at me. You'll tell me how many dots. How many dots did you see? 3 dots. Okay, and then remember, Miss Virginia will put them back up, and we'll talk about the different ways you might have seen the number of dots on the screen. Okay? Are we ready? I'm so excited to play the dot game. This is one of my favorite things that we do. Are we prepared? I think we are. Here we go. Here is your first set of dots. Okay, hold in your brain. Hold it tight, tight, tight. All right, how many did you see? How many? Okay, let's put it back up there. All right, I heard lots and lots of people say they saw 5 dots. How might you have seen 5 dots? Oh, you just knew it was 5 because it looks like a dice. Yeah, we have talked about that a lot in the last few weeks. But sometimes we know it because of something we're very familiar with, like playing a game and seeing a 5 on a dice. What are some other ways you might have seen 5? That's super smart. You might have seen 3 and 2. That is another way to see 5. Super, super job. Anybody see 5? Let's do one more way. What is one other way you might have seen 5 for the 5 dots? Okay, I see it. Hang on, let me put them back up here. I heard a 4 like a dice, and then one more in the middle makes 5. So 4, that's not very pretty. A 4 and 1 makes 5. Super, super great thinking. All right, let's put up another set of dots. Are you ready? Here they come. Okay, hold it in your brain. Hold it tight, tight, tight. How many did you see? Oh, how many? Oh, I heard lots of 7s, a couple 6s. I think I heard 1 8, but I heard lots of 7s. All right, let's put it up and let's check. All right, let's Miss Virginia, draw it. All right. Here it is. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Who wants to tell me how they knew it was 7? I love that you remembered that. This is one of the ones we did yesterday when we read our story. When we read Quack and Count, when we did the 5 and the 2 ducks to show that it was 7, we had 5 and 2, and it looks just like this. I am so proud that you remembered that. Very good thinking. How else might have you seen 7 besides 5 and 2? Oh, that's pretty complicated. Okay, let me see if Miss Virginia can do that. I heard 4 like the dice, plus 2 makes 6, plus the 1 in the middle. That would make 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is another way to see 7. Awesome job. Let's do another set of dots. Here we go. Hold it in your brain. Hold it tight, 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 tight. And how many did you see? Oh, I already put it back. Oh. How many did you see? Okay, let's put it back up there. Miss Virginia got click happy. All right, let's draw it and see how many dots that is. Here we go. I know, sometimes I just get silly and click too many times. All right, let's count and see how many dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can somebody tell me how you saw 6? So you saw 5 like a dice, plus 1 more, and 5 and 1 is 6. Nice thinking. What's another way you might have seen 6? Oh, you're right. All right, so let me draw that up here. So somebody said, well, Miss Virginia, a minute ago we had 7, and it looks like this. And if you take 7 and take away 1, which is what we have up there now, 7, and you take 1 away, that gives 6. So I knew it was 6 because it's 1 less than the last one we had up there. That is great thinking. I am so proud of you guys. All right, let's go to another one. Are we ready? You guys are thinking really good today. Here we go. All right, hold it in your brain. Hold it tight, 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 tight. All right, how many did you see? Oh, that was super loud. How many? Oh, my goodness. I heard so many people say they saw 6. So let's put it up and check and fact check and see if they are right. Let's count. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. Who wants to tell Miss Virginia how they got 6? Oh, okay. I see it. That is some smart thinking. I heard 4 like a dice, and 2, and 4, and 2 is one way to get 6. Super job. What is another way that you might have seen 6? All right, let's put that one up here. All right, are we ready? All right, another way you might have seen 6 is 3, and 3, and 3, and 3 gives 6. Great thinking. I'm so proud of you guys. You are really rocking the dot game today. All right, are we ready to do another set of dots? All right, here we go. All right, hold it in your brain. Hold it tight. Oh, keep it in there. Okay, how many do you see? How many, friends? I clicked again and put it up there. Miss Virginia is just clicking all kinds of crazy today. I guess we should count and check since it's already up on the screen, huh? Probably should. All right, let's check. Here we go. Let me draw it. All right, let's count and check how many you saw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots is it? It is 6. Who wants to tell me how they saw 6 dots. I see it. All right, 3 dots here and 3 dots here, and 3 and 3 gives 6. Oh, you just knew it was 6 because you just saw 6? Great, that is definitely a good answer. Anybody want to give me another way they saw 6? Okay. I see it. All right, let me draw it. All right, I heard, well, I saw 2 here and 2 here, and so I knew that was 4, and then I counted 5, 6, and that gave me 6. Good thinking. I like it. All right, let's go to our next pattern. Are you ready? Maybe Miss Virginia won't miss her clicks up this time. All right, here we go. All right, hold it in your brain. Hold it tight, 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 tight. All right, how many did you see? Oh, how many? Okay, I heard lots of 7s. All right, let's check and see if there are 7. All right, here we go. Let me draw it up here. Now, that's pretty close. This is kind of a hard one for Miss Virginia to draw. All right, let's count them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 dots. Who wants to tell me how they saw 7? Oh, you're exactly right. So on our last one, it looked like that. And if we put one more, 6, and 1 is 7. So you saw it as 6. And 1 more to be 7. That's a very smart way to see 7. Who saw 7 a different way besides 6 and 1 more? Ah, I see it. Okay, so you saw 4 up here and 3 down here. And just like Quack and Count yesterday, 4 and 3 would give us 7. Nice thinking. Super, super work. Oh, yep, you could also say 3 and 4. Yep, we can say 4 and 3 or 3 and 4. And yesterday we learned from Quack and Count that both give us 7. Nice work. Okay, we have one more set of dots, friends. Here we go. Hold it in your brain. Hold it tight, 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 tight. How many did you see? How many? Oh, okay, I heard 4, 5, and 6. So let's put it up. And let's count and see how many dots that is. All right, here we go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 dots. How did you see 5? Super, super smart. 4 dots. Let's see if I can find my 4 dots. This isn't as pretty as the one up there. Hang on, let me fix my drawing. Mine's not as pretty. Hang on. Miss Virginia didn't draw it very well. All right, so 4 dots here and 1 dot here gives 4 and 1, which is 5. Nice job. How did you see 5 a different way? Ah, okay, I see that. Hang on, let me erase. I heard 3 and 2, and 3 and 2 gives 5. Nice job. So 4 and 1, or 1 and 4, 2 and 3, or 3 and 2 also gives 5. Oh, you saw the 3 and 2 different? How did you see it? Oh, okay. Hang on. Let Miss Virginia see if she can draw that one now. All right, let's see here. All right, so I heard 3 like this, and then 2 up and down here, and 3 and 2 gives 5. Fantastic job with the dot game today, my friends. I'm super, super impressed. All right, are we ready to keep going and read our numbers? What new number are we reading this week? That's right. We are reading the number 9. We have almost learned all of our digits. I'm so proud of us. Why do we want to learn to read our numbers? That's right. We need to read the numbers so our brain knows them, so that when we're ready, our hand can write them. All right, are we ready to read our numbers? Fantastic. Here we go. Say them with me when the number comes up on the screen. All right, here's our first one. 2, 8, 1, 7. There's our new one, 9. Good job. Remember, 9 has the circle on the top and then the curve at the bottom or the line at the bottom, and 6 looks different than that. Those are very easy to mix up. All right, that was 9. That's our new one. Good job. Here we go. Let's go to the next one. 5, 4, 3, 6. Yep, there's our 6. It has the circle on the bottom and the line up towards the top. Fantastic work with our numbers, friends. Our new strategy for counting. What's our new strategy? That's right. We've been moving the ducks. Last week, and well, for several weeks, we have been leaving circles around the ducks. But we talked about sometimes if you have things, it's easier to move them and set them to the side. And by moving them, we make sure that we move all of them and we don't move any twice, and that helps us to count, and it's a different strategy. So that is our new strategy for this week. And so let's practice with these duckies on the screen. And remember, we pick it up and we put it back down, we say 1. And we pick it up, and when we put it back down, we say 2. And have we picked up all the ducks and moved them? We sure have. This is the pile of where the ducks landed. So there were how many ducks? That's exactly right. There were 2 ducks on the screen, and we moved both of them. All right, so let's count some ducks. Are we ready? Or you have to count with me. I need your help. All right, let's pick one up and set it down. 1, 2. Are you counting with me? 3. Let's pick one up. 4. Pick one up. 5. Pick one up. 6. Pick one up. 7. How many ducks, friends? 7 ducks. Super counting. I love this strategy. This is working really well for us, friends. I am so proud of you. All right, let's play again. Are you ready? All right, let's pick it up. 1. Pick it up. 2. Pick it up. 3. Pick it up. 4. 5. 6. 7. How many ducks, friends? That's right. 7 ducks. Did I pick all of them up and move them? I did. So no one was left behind. Did I pick up any duckies 2 times? I didn't, did I? I picked all of them up only once. So we have 7 ducks. Fabulous work. All right, are we ready? Again. Whew, that looks like a whole lot of ducks. All right, here we go. Pick it up. 1. Pick it up. Set it down. 2. Pick it up. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 7 ducks again. Oh my goodness, this is our third, what? Are you sure? You're right. Miss Virginia got all excited with the ducks, and I have 2 little duckies that did not get picked up, and they didn't get moved, and so I haven't counted them all. So are there 7 ducks? No, because I left 2 ducky friends out. We should start over. We don't want to leave any duckies out. All right, are we ready? Let's make sure we don't miss any this time. Here we go. Pick it up. 1. Are you counting with me? 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. How many duckies, friends? That's right. There are 9 because now I've picked them all up and moved them. Did I pick up any duckies twice? I did not. And are there any left over? Nope. Very good job counting to 9 for those 9 ducks. Are we ready for our next set? All right, let's count some more ducks. Oh my goodness gracious, that would be a lot of ducks to move. What other strategy have we been working on? That's right, counting by tens. Do you think this would be a good group of ducks to maybe count by tens? There sure are a lot of them. Let's try it and see. Let's see if we can find 10 ducks. All right, do you see my pointer on the screen? All right, let's count to 10 ducks. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so this group right here, that is a group of 10 ducks. How many groups do you think there are? Well, that was 10. Do you think this over here might be 10 more? Let's corral them. All right, here's 10. All right, let's check. Do you think that's 10 down here that I just put the fence around? Let's check. Let's see if that might just be 10. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 ducks too. Okay, so we're finding groups of 10. Let's see. Do you think that up there is a group of 10? Should we count them? I think we should count them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoot, that's a corralled set of 10. All right, what about down here at the bottom? Is that 10? Oh, I sure hope it is. Let's check. Because if it is, we could count by tens, like counting by tens with our popsicle sticks, except instead of 10 popsicle sticks bundled together, it would be 10 what bundled together? Oh, 10 ducks bundled together. Oh, I love counting by tens. All right, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can count by tens, friends. All right, let's go back to the beginning. And when we put a circle in, because we now know they're going to count tens, right? Let's count by tens. Count by 10 with me. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. How many ducks? 40 ducks. You are so good at counting by tens. I am so very, very, very proud of you guys. You have worked so hard with me with our counting today and with our dot game. You have done just super work, and I hope that you've had fun, and I hope that you'll come and listen to our next lesson and participate with us.